So, hi everyone, I am Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So, our students, BBA students, we are going to present one case study problem. So, let us introduce.
I am Indra Prasad from BBA first BBA. I am Monisha from first BBA.
Okay, student. So, Indra Grace has going to present one case study problem. Okay, ma read the case study, ma.
Let us consider a fictional city, Metro Y, and examine how the cost of living has changed between 2020 and 2025 using cost of living index number.
Okay.
Monisha is going to present the case. Commodities are given. Food, fuel, clothing, rent, others. Index number 352, 220, 230, 160, 190. Weight 48, 10, 8, 12, 50. We want to multiply index number and weight. 352 into 48, 168. 220 into 10, 20, 2200. 230 into 8, 1840. 160 into 12, 1920. 190 into 15, 2850. We want to total this and total this.
Okay, ma. So, index number, why we are going to find the index number means in order to find the next base year we are going to calculate it as a P0, or else the current year we are going to present it as an P1, and as well as the quantity base year we are going to present it as an Q0, and current year is going to present it as an Q1. Okay. So, index number help us to find the future value. So, what is the future value we are going to detect? So, using the index number. So, it depends upon the variable and as well as mainly depends upon the client. So, in this case study, they have given the comparison about the 2020 and 2025, how the cost of living is going to change from one year to the next year. So, they have taken one fictional city, which is Metro Y city. So, in that they have collected 5 commodities. So, based on the commodities, they have split the index numbers and as well as the weight. So, finally they have calculated the price and with the weight. So, if they have calculated this to the summation of PW is nothing but 25700 and as well as the summation W is nothing but 93. So, now she is going to explain how to calculate the cost of living index for the Metro Y city. Manisha, can you calculate the formula for the cost of living index? Indra Gracie?
This is the formula for find the case study.
Okay.
Cost of living is equal to summation PW by summation W is equal to the answer.
So, what is the value is nothing but, so this price, this P represents the price. So, P is nothing but this 25,703 and whereas the weight is nothing but 93. If in some problem, so can you say what is 2020? The price of 2020 means how many represent? For 2022, how many represent? Price. This is P0, this is P1. So this is P. So this is here they are given, and this is nothing but an current year. Okay. So mention it as a current year. Current year. Just write the current year. Current year. So based on this, we are going to calculate the P0 and P1. So if the some problem we used to give that P0 is given and P1 is given means we have to calculate P equal to P1 by P0 into 100. Okay. So in some problem they will discuss either the price and as well as the current price and as well as the base price. So at that case what we have to do is just we are going to calculate P1 by P0 into 100. So then you will get this. Then you will get P. So using this P value, you can find P into W. So this helps us to find the weighted price relative for each item. So the weighted price relative item is also known as a case study. So have you understand now how to calculate the case, that is cost of living index? Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you students for